Okay, so this is the top of the lid for the snap Treehouse. Gonna seam seal this joint right here so that it will never leak. That's about the bead that you want right there. Get to the end right there.
So not only do we add bulb seal to the doors to weatherproof the Treehouse, before we do that we actually add seam sealer to the inside of the door and any seams that are around with 3M seam sealer. As you saw in the previous episode, we did this static panel a little bit differently. So instead of having rivets on the outside, we have them on the inside, as well as the seam. Now we're going to do the inside of the cab sheet. So I'm going to mask all within here. We're going to, again, seam seal the seams on the inside of here. That way it's just ultra protected. We did seam seal on the outside on the cab sheet, but we're going to do the inside just as a double safety measure. So now that we have the majority of seam sealer done, there is one more place that I need to seam seal, but I usually wait until the next day for everything else to cure properly. So the next thing we're going to do, which will be tomorrow, is I'm going to seam seal around the base on the inside over top some welds. Other than that, seam seal is done for today. They also added the ladder mounts here. So basically what these are for is for the ladder that's on the inside, you can remove that easily, bring it out here, rest it on your tailgate, attach it to these mounts, and then you have easy roof access. We also added the third brake light. This is required by law, so we do add it as a standard to all tree houses.
We use a few different size bulb seals here at Snap Outfitters. So we use a smaller size for the doors, as you can see here. This gives a nice cushiony seal onto the unit itself. Ooh, yeah. Then on the lid, we use a little bit bigger one. You can see it compressed here. You can see carpet still over here on this lid over here. This helps keep all the water out.